Hey everyone, this is Liz from Strength and Grace Farmer Wellness out here in Sterling, Massachusetts to help you guys out with some low back pain by easing your hips or activating your hips here. We're going to go over 4 different exercises today. We're going to have pelvic tilts with the block for a feedback for you, glute bridge raise with block in between the knees, clams, and then dog leg raise. So let's just get right into it. For pelvic tilts, okay, one of the things you want to think about is having a clock here, okay? And 6 o'clock is down here, and 12 o'clock is up here. On the inhales, you want to expand your belly and push that all the way to the 6 o'clock. And then on the exhales, you want to concave your belly and pushing that all the way into the 12 o'clock. So inhale, you're expanding that diaphragm down like an upside down umbrella. And then on the exhales, you're concaving that diaphragm. It goes underneath the rib cages up here. You'll feel the pelvis tilt as you're on the floor. A really good way to cue and give you feedback is using a yoga block. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to lie down on my back, okay? I'm going to put the yoga block right here on my belly, and then on the inhale, I'm going to expand my belly towards the 6 o'clock, which is towards the bottom of the pelvis, and then on the exhale, contract and concave my belly, diaphragm goes underneath the ribs, okay? So inhale, exhale to 12. So you can do about 15 of those, okay? That's gonna get followed by a glute bridge raise with block in between the knees. Putting the block in between the knees gives you good feedback. Make sure that the knees are internally rotating and not falling out to the sides, okay? Feet are gonna be close to the sit bones. Hands are at your side. You wanna push through your heels on the outside edges of your feet. Okay, we're gonna inhale, come on up, squeeze the bum, and then exhale, nice controlled release down. I take a yogic approach on this one with the inhales and exhales because it is a slight back bend, so I always like to inhale and then exhale. Articulating that vertebrae down, okay? So inhaling one more time up, squeezing the glutes, the hamstrings, keeping that belly there, and then on the exhale, coming down nice and controlled from shoulders to tailbone, right? 15 of those. That's gonna get followed by clams, okay? So for this, very particular, okay? You wanna have your knees at about a 45-degree angle, feet underneath the glutes. You want the toes flexed and then everted. So heels together, toes apart. Lying down on the arm, the lower upper arm here. And then you wanna make sure you have a forward lean. Everything from here up is relaxed, okay? Because it's just gonna come from here. Like a clamshell, you're gonna use the heels are gonna stay together. I was gonna bring the knees apart, okay? So we're gonna exhale, come up, and you don't wanna come up too far, so you don't wanna be rocking, okay? And then you're gonna inhale, come down nice and controlled. So again, I'm gonna exhale, come on up just to here. Inhale, come on down. And then when you get to about 10 or 12 of these, you want to stay at that top range of motion and then pulsing up and down and just getting that burn right here. It should all be on the outside of that glute, the glute med, glute min, okay? Anything in the low back, you're probably going up too far. That's going to get followed by a dog leg raise. Upper body's going to stay the same. I'm going to bring those knees to a 90-degree angle, so now they're in line with the hips. And I'm going to point my toes, okay? The whole upper leg is now going to come up, and you want the foot to come up last. So think about it as, you know, almost being cement slippers or something. It's the heaviest part, okay? So I'm going to exhale. Come on up. Inhale. Nice and controlled down. Exhale. Inhale. And then again, when you get to that top range of motion after 10 or 12, you're just gonna sit there and pulse and let it burn and burn and burn, okay? You can do anywhere from 2 to 4 rounds or sets of this, but again, pelvic tilts, glute bridge raise, clams, and then dog leg raise, okay? Feet position super important on those clams and dog leg raises. Any questions, you can just contact me on the website, www.strength-grace.com, or DM me here. All right? Thanks. Bye.